Today we are making vanilla macarons with Amaretto infused raspberry preserves filling. Here, as you can see in the bowl, sorry, my dog is deciding to speak. Enough. In the bowl, you can see I have ground almonds and powdered sugar, which I've sifted 3 times to get out any lumps. And we are just going to set that aside, and I'm going to get the mixer ready. Okay, mixer is ready. Into the mixer, 4 egg whites. Room temperature, please. And lower it and get this going. We just want to get the egg whites frothy for now. So, on high speed for a few minutes. Egg whites are nice and frothy. To this, we are going to add half of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. This just helps stabilize the egg whites so they get nice and frothy and big. And so put that in like so and mix on high. When the cream of tartar is incorporated well, we're going to add half a cup of sugar slowly, preferably 1 tablespoon at a time. So I'll add some in right now, and we'll get this going on high. Once all the sugar is incorporated, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and then we're going to continue mixing on high until we get stiff peaks. Okay, as you can see, we have stiff peaks. Basically, if you can do this, turn the bowl upside down and nothing moves, you're safe. Okay, now to this, we're going to take our almond and icing sugar mixture, pour it in, and then start stirring it in. This will deflate the egg whites a bit, and it may not look like it's going to come together, but trust me, it will. Okay, and as you can tell, I added a few drops of pink food coloring just to give it a little bit extra pizzazz. And what we're going to do is we're going to spoon some into a piping bag and start piping away. Now, as you can see, I've piped some out. They're not the best circles, but I'm still learning all this. So, once you've piped some out, lift it up, drop it, lift it up again, drop it, lift it up again, drop it. Let these sit now for about half hour. Okay, so the macarons have been sitting out for about 40-45 minutes now. Now they're going to go into a excuse me, 300-degree oven, preheated of course, for 18-20 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them. You don't want to overcook them. You want to cook them slowly, and then take them out and we'll let them cool. So into 350, nope, sorry, not 350, 300-degree oven for 18 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. Pull these out of the oven. Please excuse my dog. There you go. Let these cool in the pans for 10 or 15 minutes, then take them off and put them on the cooling rack. Okay, so now for the filling. I am using Sunset Gourmet's Amaretto infused raspberry preserves. Most macarons have some sort of buttercream filling. I decided to do something different as I normally don't like to be like everybody else. As you can see, I have half the macarons turned over, face up, and I'm just putting a little dollop of the preserves on each one. Then we are going to sandwich them together to make the full macaron. Push down slightly just to spread out the filling. Excuse me. Like so. And that's it. So, please like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next one.